Why does this really matter? Well, the most important aspect of enabling the granularity for our clients and the aggregation is to be able to become much more specific around what type of risks they want to mitigate and where. How can they identify what to mitigate and where within their overall business, their overall infrastructure, which is essentially the attack surface equivalent, and then come up with risk mitigation plans that are much more effective. So instead of coming up with very high level risk mitigation programs, because the risk quantification model was done at the much higher level, and then apply a peanut butter application for the investments throughout the infrastructure. If you can become more specific, then you can really identify the most important areas where your protective capabilities are the weakest, and or potentially your threat landscape is the worst case, meaning that there can be many more initiations of certain threat actions. Then you can really become very specific and much more effective with your investments.